Are you ready for some exciting news about Ottawa real estate market? November brought surprising shifts. Sales are up, prices are steady, and there is a buzz of activity despite the colder weather. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, stay tuned as we break down the numbers and what they mean for you. One of the standout features of Ottawa real estate right now is the balanced market. Let's dive right into the numbers and see how they look like. My name is Varun Gupta and I'm the Ottawa Realtor. If you want to meet me or book an appointment, please click on the numbers given below. Let's dive right into the numbers. Let's look at the data for the listings. If you can see, in last 3 months, the listing has went up as compared to the last year. Overall, listing goes down in last 6 months. So you see a trend going down. However, if you see that green lines are for the 2023 and blue bars are for 2022. So listings are up. There is more houses for sale in the market. So buyers have lot more options to choose what they want to buy. And sellers, they might be selling at the fair price. So in this relation, it seems that buyers are in more control. There is more negotiation room. They can ask for conditions in their offers. Let's look at the another statistics, and that is the price, which is very much has to relate with the numbers of listing coming into the market. So if you see in the last 4 months that prices are relatively stable. It was low in June and July and then started picking up. So that is good news because Bank of Canada start cutting the rates, and we might see another rate cut coming in this month of December. So that will bring more confidence to the buyers and increase their affordability. With their increased affordability, they can buy more, and the listings which are more into the market, that will be absorbed. If you can see that the prices are a lot more up as compared to 2023. So green lines, if you see in November and December, the prices start going up. So that is a positive sentiment happening in the market, and that major reason is Bank of Canada's interest rate cut, and that's what they want to bring the economy slowly start shifting upwards because the economic numbers are not that great. So good news for the sellers, and for the buyers that's also good news because their affordability is increasing. So still, I think in December, January and February, they are the slower months. Then might not be see that too much increase in the prices. However, that if you don't act, you might go in the spring, you will see a lot of buyers coming out and you might be facing into some biddings. Let's look at another numbers for the days in the market. That's also a very critical factor, that how long it will take on an average to sell the house in the market. If you see, there is a pattern for 2023, 2024, the days on the market usually increase in the later months, October, November, December. If you see that the days on the market is increasing, but the factor is to compare with the last year. If you see and compare with the last year, the days on the market is increasing. That is one of the concerning factor, that it reflects that there is a less demand and the more listings. If you see here, so it means that buyers have a lot more negotiation power here, and they can go and like the house what they want with the more options and negotiate. And going forward, I think the critical factors would be the days on the market, will be the interest rate with the pickup in the demand. But if you see, we are close to 40 days on the market. It's not considered to be on the buyer's market. I would not say it's a seller's market. It's like a balanced market right now. So it's good for the buyers, it's good for the sellers, and sellers are still able to sell their houses on the fair market price. In conclusion, looking ahead, what we can expect, the Bank of Canada's recent interest rate cuts have already started to impact the market, and further cuts could stimulate even more activity. However, affordability will remain a challenge, especially for the first-time home buyers navigating higher borrowing costs. That said, Ottawa's market remains one of the most affordable among Canada's major cities, compared to Ottawa or Vancouver, where average house prices exceed more than $1 million. Ottawa is still around $640,000 benchmark price, is far more accessible. This relative affordability continues to attract buyers and support the market stability. So what's the bottom line? If you are a buyer, this balanced market gives you a bit more breathing room. But don't wait too long. Prices are stable and demand is picking up. So sellers, the key is preparation. Pricing your home right and make sure it stands out. As always, I'm here to help. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just have questions about the market, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more updates. Let me know if you have any comments, what trends you are seeing, or what questions you have about the market. See you in the next one.